Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I am dipping my fingers into this palette. I'm pretty much obsessed. The colors just are like fall in a palette. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. I'm just gonna take some concealer for my base. And then taking a Morphe S11 brush to blend it out. I don't know which palette. Well, first of all, I'm using the Jaclyn Morphe Vault Collection, and I have two of them with me right now. I have Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm, and I don't know which one I want to do. They're both so pretty. You guys can see. I don't know which one to do. I mean, I might like dip into both. So honestly, I'm just gonna play and see what I come up with because I don't even have an idea. But I'm super excited to try these. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder to just set the eye. Just dust it right all over. I'm so excited to be filming. It's been a bit. I'm trying to be more consistent, but I'm excited to be filming today. And these colors are something super fun. I'm going to go in with Rush from the palette. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm gonna start in with Rush. It's pretty orange for my transition shade. I love how these palettes have mirrors, makes it so nice. And I love how they're also travel size. It makes it like way easier to pack around. Like the size is just really nice. And I'm kind of like blending it out more like a cat eye because I want it to be a little more smoky. Kind of bring it out right there. Taking Morphe M433, I'm gonna go in with this color, Framed. And I'm going to go like right underneath the crease. And taking Rush again, I'm gonna go in and just blend that out nice and smoothly. I feel like I'm like really hitting that. I'm gonna take a Sigma E45 and I'm gonna go in with Alert kind of on my outer corner. Take the Morphe 433 again, and I'm gonna go in with Siren and kind of use that also on the outer corner. And kind of actually go back and forth and dip Siren and Alert together. It looks like it's getting a little out of control, but we can always go in and clean up with a makeup wipes. I'm now taking a flat shader brush. I'm gonna go in with Lolly. It's this super gorgeous, like, champagne pinky color. taking Siren, I'm just adding a little bit of darkness to the outer V. And then taking just a clean, fluffy brush, I'm gonna just blend out that orange and smoke it out just a little more, because I really want it to peek through the dark color. I'm gonna go and clean up the outside and come back with lashes and my face done, and I can't wait for you guys to see the rest of the look. I'm back, guys, and I did all, well, I can't even speak. I did my face, and now we're just gonna, I forgot that I like to do the lower lash line after I have my face makeup on. I think it just applies better, stays longer, it doesn't budge. So I'm gonna do the lower lash line, apply some mascara on the bottom, and complete the look. So, going back in with the I keep saying it wrong. Ring the Alarm palette. Just like a flat shader brush. Go in with Rush. And just get really close to the lash line. This is gonna help, just like applying the eyeshadow to the lower lash line is just going to help make the eye look just like come together. And I'm gonna kind of smoke it out a little bit lower. So I started pushing it up to the root and then I brought it down ever so slightly. I just stabbed myself in the eye. Actually, we use the same brush. Taking the same brush, or any like flat shader, does not have to be a Kylie one. I'm gonna go in with Framed. And this, I really want to pack that right as close to the root as possible. I'm taking a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go back in with Rush and just really diffuse the bottom lash line. And like really connect it to what we did earlier. Just going back in with that color one more time. I'm actually going with Siren this time. And kind of just using it more on the outer V and then bringing it in just a little bit. I was gone for a minute, but I'm back now. Name my artist. I feel like my green eyes are just popping. Just taking like a neutral and just putting it in my brow bone. And then taking a nice like frosty color, just putting that right in the inner corner to make it pop. I'm gonna apply that to the bridge of the brow bone. Take any mascara you have. I have these Benefit mascaras that I've been wanting to try. I'm gonna use Benefit Bad Gal. And what I like about getting like the little ones is like you can try them out and not like pay the full price and figure out if you even like them. So that's always cool. This one came with 3. And I like how little it is too, so it's perfect for the under eye. And that will complete the look, guys. I'm excited that I got to dip into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection. This is gorgeous. Love Ring the Alarm palette. I had so much fun filming this look. I got to dive into color. It was fun. I've already said that 100 times, but thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you have a beautiful day.